Here's Dynacom's Staggered Patch Panel. Staggered ports offset EMI bubbles from each termination, preventing them from encroaching on adjacent cables, a major issue in high bandwidth UTP runs. Essential for achieving reliable 10 gig Ethernet performance with unshielded Cat6a cabling. By reducing crosstalk, it minimizes communication errors and maintains better overall network performance. Better cable management, as you can see, reduces the cable spaghetti. Cost effective, can negate the need for expensive shielded cables and connectors as it solves the crosstalk problem at the patch panel level. To order online, visit discountlowvoltage.com.